It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2021 Canyon Denali, and this is a GMC. Has a nice white exterior, black interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and about 5.5 to 6 foot box. And it has a line box as well as a 2.8 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has a sliding rear window and power seats, many more features as well. And if you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.8 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered, and you have these nice carpeted mats with the Denali badging. And then you also have your lighting controls. There's your 4x4 and your trailer tow. And we're just going to get in. You've got a running board. That makes it a little easier if you need to. And then you've got your cruise control, heated steering wheel, as well as your functions for your dash. We're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading. And in the center here, we have our display coming up. We can just touch on it. And so we've got our map there. What you can do is touch on the map, and then it'll come up. Now, if it gives you the opportunity to put in your destination and then it gives you directions from there, you know your navigation is working. And you have the Bose speaker badge up there, by the way. And then we can just touch on the home button and go into our options for our sources, AM, FM, and it said more there. You had Bluetooth as well as Sirius XM, and just X out of there as well. And now when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back bumper, and the lines are just showing you how close you are to other objects or vehicles. Let's put us back into park. There's your volume and tuner, and then you've got your fan, AC. Your dial is indicating your digital reading of your climate control, and you have your front defrost as well as rear defrost, exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, high mount light, lane keeping, your parking sensors, heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. You've got your USB-C and USB outlet as well as auxiliary, and you've got a 12 volt as well. There, I'll just move the camera. And then you've got your automatic select shifter, a couple of cup holders. You've got this nice wood green simulated there. You've got a place to charge your phone, and you've also got your armrest here. You put lots of stuff in. Off to the side is the glove compartment, and up top you've got your OnStar. Now that is something that you subscribe to monthly, and then it gives you different options. Up top here we have our lighting controls, sunglass holder, and a grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, chrome and black running board, chrome door handle, driver's side fuel cap, and in the rear we have the black handle, and the tail gate is lockable. You also have a 4 and 7 pin connector, a trailer hitch, and backup sensors on your bumper. You also have these nice little cab steps. You see that cutout there. And then when you want to open it, just put your hand in the latch. You've got the tailgate assist. You notice it goes down easily. It doesn't slam, and a spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. They're seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. And you can pull the seat down. You can also pull the lever and then just lift up the seat. And that just gives you a little bit of storage underneath. And then pull the lever again. The lever's located right there. And down it'll come. You've got this nice armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, carpeted mats on the floor, and you've got your USB outlets as well. You have your 12 volt there, and a little cubby down below. There's dome lighting up top, as well as a hook and handle, and in the rear, a sliding window with rear defrost. Trailer hitch in the rear, lined box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.